This is Randy Sprinklers, and today we're going to take a look at this one. Um, don't know that there's anything special about it. Um, I have another one of these, but I have one that looks like it, which you've already seen, this one. And they're both literally identical, and the main difference that I can see between these is this has a wider um, uh, arm, or the end of the arm here, compared to this one. So if you can see the two side by side, you can see the difference. Um, this one has a green top, this one has a black top. Otherwise, the sprinkler, the two look literally identical. The bodies look identical, everything. Um, there is a difference here at the bottom, though. On the bottom, this one was form fitted, so this does not come off. I mean, I can take it off if I ruin this completely, but I don't want to do that. And this one is form fitted as well, but it's a little different. And again, what you see with both of these is a washer, a nylon washer, and then what appears to be another really thin washer just above it. And this one only has the rubber washer and the nylon washer. So that's the only main differences I can see. This one has a little bit of a nylon washer up here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Um, I don't see one here. It just has the black collar there and the black collar on this one. So otherwise, they look very much the same. So we're going to test this one out and see if this tests out like the yellow one did. Um, it was very, very fast. Um, it's okay. I don't expect this one to be as fast. And the one thing that I find unusual is that the um, base has a firmness to this, which makes it steady. Let's see. How about this one? Same thing. Feels maybe just a hair looser. So I'm kind of always surprised when they move really fast, but um, this has a little bit of an edge right there. So instead of the water going straight out, let's see. So this one has a little bit of the edge right there as well. So likelihood is it doesn't follow quite the full PJ design as far as anti-backsplash, but we're going to test it out. Threads on there nicely. Okay, we'll find out in a minute. Okay, we'll give that a try and see how that works. There should be, in reality, little difference between the two as far as operation, but because they look identical, but we will see. That doesn't always mean that is true. Probably not as fast as the yellow one. Not as fast as the yellow one, but this should be more than sufficient. Interesting how it slows down when it gets to the back end of the stop. Going forward, it hits that stop with no problem. See, it kind of slows down a minute there on the back stop, on the reverse stop. See there, it hangs up there a second. Don't know why it does. So I find it interesting that, oh, look at that. It's hanging up on there. Just loose enough where it doesn't want to go. It's not interesting. There it was working just fine, and now it stopped. It's almost as if though it just lost some pressure. And I'm not running any other water anywhere, so isn't that interesting? So there it was working. Now the question is it going to go or not? Because right now it doesn't appear. Oh, there we go again. So that was weird that it was hanging up there. Now usually the way I solve a problem like this is I reverse the stops, put the other stop on that side. So let me change the stops. I'll put this one over here and this one. Now that seems to be better and it's working. Look at that. Doesn't have any problems on the forward, but now on the back side it's working. So you do see that the water from the arm does come off like about a 30 to 40 degree angle off of the mainstream. See it hitting over my way? That's the only problems that I have with the design of a lot of these less expensive sprinklers is the water off of the supposedly PJ arm is not quite what it's supposed to be. So let's take a close look up from the top. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, and please press the like button and take the time to read the details in which I share on each of these sprinklers. And I am looking to see you in the next video.